Sometimes we're just so busy, we see all the wonderful products, and we don't get enough time to just create. I'm going to use several different things to get that beautiful look. Let's get started. This set of nails I created for a video inspired me for the next video, which was decorating. It's like decorating a cake. I just can't pass up a room to be decorated, a cake to be iced, and nails to be decorated. I'm gonna start with alcohol inks. I'm in love with alcohol inks. The designs are just so random and it's hard to recreate it, so you don't know what you're gonna get always. Let me show you what we can do. So I've got 4 colors that I'm gonna work with. One's kind of a yellow and a kind of a deep wine, bit of a gray black, and then a bit of a red pink. So that's what I'm working with as the base of the design. Then I'm gonna decorate with the gems all on top and bring it all together. So let's get started. So I have 1 coat of Chick Chack on my nails, which is a gel polish out of a tube. And the next step I'm gonna do is put alcohol inks, and this is from Joya Mia as well. I'm gonna start with, I think it's kind of a deep purple. This will be sort of my accent nail right here. I want it sort of bigger in the center and trailing off a little. We'll see if it works out that way, but that's my thought. One thing I learned about alcohol inks, it doesn't like to go on a even slightly buffed surface. It'll kind of absorb a little bit, so you do want it on a very shiny surface, a very finished surface. I like to kind of dot it. I don't really know what I'm going for. I just keep kind of just doing it and doing over and over and over in pattern. I like the circle patterns and the detailed ones just to see what I get. And if you don't like it, you can take alcohol in a brush and dilute it completely and change it, like really dilute it so it's really, really soft. You can see every time you hit it, it actually goes away. You just keep kind of doing it and playing with it until you get something that you like. If you guys want to play with these too, you can go to joyamia.com and they're offering a discount code. Just punch in Suzie. I also get a small commission to help support my channel. Thanks, guys. I'm just going to move on to the other ones and just keep going until I get a flow I like. So pretty. Oh. Could just go forever. Okay, I'll do my thumb later, okay, just because you can't see it as much. So Now I'm going to focus on the gems. So whenever I'm doing gems and stuff, I always start with my biggest gems first, and then I work from there. This is my Beamy brush. So I did think that those ones were too big. So I could put something like that in there. It picks up some of the purple. But I don't know. I think I'm just feeling like, I think it's too much. I think it might just look really good to have more of the dark put in there. So you know what? I think I'm just gonna do this. I'm going to give it all a top coat, seal that pattern in there. And the little black gems are very little. They're what you call polish secure. So you can literally just set it inside a wet gel polish or nail polish, and then you nuke it or let it dry and it's happy. Sometimes simple is better. Now flip it over. Oh, that's upside down. Yeah, that's about right. Except the pinky's crooked. Think that looks pretty just like that. I think that's it. Let's check out the reveal shots. Wait. I have a thought. I'm just going to use the pointy end. See that? Let's try this. To pick up some of my Shtick-It. Now, Shtick-It is a very thick gel that really holds gems fabulously. I feel like I have to have some sort of gem on it. Let me just put the Shtick-It right there and see if we like this. Where is it? Oh, that's the dirty end of the Shtick-It. What do you think, Cameron? I don't think I'm feeling that either.
No, it feels like they've got this nice dark tone going, and then that just kind of pops out. I mean, I think some people would love it, but
yeah. But if there's
it's not bad.
No, it's just not great.
Well,
maybe I'm not in the mood today. I thought I was feeling like it, but maybe I'm just not. Oh, what about this? Maybe it was the color.
Yeah, maybe it's
that's
the color.
Way better.
You have anything darker?
No.
Oh.
What about that?
I like it better.
Yeah, I like it better. I just don't know if I like it.
No, it doesn't fit with the nice deep purple and mauve tones.
Flick it. Oh, maybe I thought I was really in the mood. This one's littler. This one does reflect some of those tones. Let me show you. Oh.
What about more of those little black things?
Well, then you just got a bunch of black things. It's not like oh. It's not like there's different sizes of the little black beads. I mean, I love the black beads.
Yeah, I like them too.
I gotta tell you, I'm just not feeling it. Nope. I had all of these in mind to do it, and they're just not working for me. I think I just have to say this is beautiful. I'm sorry, I really wanted to do some gems, but I'm just not feeling it. Sometimes you wing stuff and it works out great, and sometimes you're like, not that this didn't work out good, I just really wanted to use these, but I think we're just going to have to say, this is beautiful.
Well, it is beautiful.
It is. Moving on. Did we check the reveal shots out yet? I don't think we did.
Done reveals. No.
Okay. Let's check out the reveal shots. Well, even though it wasn't what I had in mind, they did turn out just beautiful. I guess the colors weren't jiving. I wasn't feeling it. I guess it just, sometimes it doesn't work. But these are beautiful. But thank you for joining me. I will get my gems straightened out, and I'll be in the mood for it more next time. Catch you guys in the next video.